In this video, we will explore top design styles for software interface demo.
He needs to speed up inventory, order picking and sequencing processes. He also needs to bring down the error rates of his picking team. Another challenge is to find, train, and motivate staff. New or temporary staff needs to be instructed, trained, and flexibly deployed.
Data to developers. By that time, data is already out of date. With Cohesity, your backup data is more than an insurance policy. Cohesity not only protects your most important data sources such as SaaS applications, virtual machines, and databases, it puts this data to work, allowing you to
the SurveyMonkey Anywhere app, freeing you up to gather data online or offline, wherever, whenever, and however you choose. Say you're gathering visitor data for a national park. Just select Field Survey, download it to your mobile device, then you're ready to head out into the wilderness. Upload the responses once you're online again. Say you're in the field doing...
Our solar-powered Clean Cube can compact waste to hold up to 8 times the volume of an ordinary bin. The Clean Cube also monitors fill levels and waste collections and keeps track of various sensor data. Our CleanFlex is an IoT sensor.
But you only have limited visibility on the driving behavior of your drivers and truck performance. So you are struggling to identify the cost improvement opportunities. What if you could have access to all the necessary insights that would help you start saving more? Allow us to introduce the Performance Portal. We begin by measuring and cleansing all...
Clean, blend, and optimize your data, feeding analytics and reporting initiatives within cloud data warehouses. Explore your data with an interactive visual experience. Improve the quality and agility of your reporting. And automate repetitive data processes.
It's the first comprehensive AI framework to interpret consumer behaviors and transform them into objective insights. It rids you of the need to rely on inaccurate detection by legacy systems or manual programs that are subjective and prone to errors by human judgment. And it's the only solution to identify vulnerable customers in
automated and fully managed archival for data tiering. On-demand click-to-create index suggestions. And even multi-cloud clusters that span 2 or more cloud providers at the same time. Build something great. Get started today.
You need to be prepared for anything and everything. Because when it comes to your customers, teams, and business, every second matters. That's why companies around the world rely on PagerDuty to manage their real-time operations. Our digital operations management platforms
motivate and retain their best staff and help them stay on the right side of the law in an increasingly complex compliance environment. That asset is customer conversations, an almost endless source of data and insight. But with increasing call volumes and ever-changing operational requirements, how can you...
Nurse, who assesses the extent of the injury to ensure they get the right level of care at the right time.
I'm so sorry that happened to you. Let me ask you some more questions so we can get you taken care of as quickly as possible.
With Corvell's fully integrated model for patients requiring more than self-care, the medical information and patient data
manage the more innovative, high-value work. Using our code refactoring platform, one of several powerful AI tools in our NCI-SHE framework, government agencies can continue to develop on their legacy code while AI continuously modernizes your changes.
We use an AI.
Deploy SSH keys directly from 1Password in just a few clicks. No need to look up keygen commands or remember passphrases. 1Password in the browser autofills your public keys into popular tools like GitHub to accelerate setup. Then you can use the 1Password SSH agent to authenticate your Git.
Face is pretty great too. It's finding the perfect balance that allows teams and companies to really flourish. That's why hybrid working has the potential to be so amazing. The thing is, it's hard to get the real-time visibility and context you need to understand when people are going to be in the office.
To create interactive assignments from their existing content or from scratch. Students can get help as they answer questions, and teachers can get automated insights to know where students are getting stuck. Let's take a look at how it works. Once teachers create practice...
Radiation tolerant 4 GB DDR4 memory for space systems. A solution with a complete application data package, which is the ideal high-speed companion chip for Teledyne's E2V space-grade processors or third-party space FPGAs. This memory successfully stands up to the most extreme environments, functioning resilient.
You'd be able to find more opportunities faster, scale your team to deliver iconic customer experiences, and ultimately grow revenue exponentially across the lifecycle. Say hello to Conversica. Our digital assistants provide personalized two-way communication to every contact, every time.
And supervising care, one click at a time. How can we enable the technology at our fingertips to save us time? With AlayaCare, you have built-in, ready-to-go tools that open up avenues to efficiencies. Use your preferred Forms tool apps to automatically add clients.
One-time sale and lifelong customer. But with the power to anticipate your customers' expectations, you can deliver a brilliant, unmatched experience. Teams across your organization might be collecting the right data to understand your customer experience.
Here are some ways our customers are using AppFolio Property Manager to effectively communicate with their residents, owners, and each other during this time. Use bulk text messages and email to communicate broadly and frequently with your residents as your rent or maintenance policies may change, or access to community amenities is limited.
Join the cloud-native world. It's time your database evolved.
With what?
DB. It is the only distributed SQL database in the world that is PostgreSQL compatible, open source, and can run across hybrid and multi-cloud environments.
What about
compressors are the heart of every refrigeration system. They keep it running, keeping the goods cold, processes safe, and buildings cool. You can feel the heartbeat of your refrigeration system easier than ever before, at any time, anywhere.
To smoothly manage order creation and updates. It really seems nightmarish if you want to upload hundreds of new products or update existing products at once. But with our integration, both are possible with just a few clicks, which will surely save several hours of manual product uploading.
Concierge Security Team, providing you with personal security experts who deliver a quantified, real-time understanding of your cyber risk. From technical vulnerabilities like software defects and system misconfigurations to unsafe practices like reusing passwords. Our